3, let's go!
Is us talking like this? We're doing the blind, deaf, and mute thing. I'm gonna be deaf.
Oh, I'm gonna be mute. Right? Yeah.
I'm blind. And she's gonna be blind.
Library.
I'm recording.
What? Whoa! Say that again. Okay,
Oh, I found it.
You've took.
Look at your library.
Barry.
That's what it is.
No, it's. What?
2 cups of sugar. Fill it up and give it to her so she can pour it.
Yeah. Fill me up.
Watch out.
You can't push me.
We'll give it to you when we're ready. Oh, what are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing? Where's the ball? Let me pour it! No, can you give me the sugar? Okay, take your hands off my hands. It's not the kind of video we're doing here.
We need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour.
Do you have a cup that's 1/3?
So we're done with this.
Yo, Natalie, you show me the one test because you
I
don't
can't
pour.
hear you.
Oh my gosh.
Is it that?
I think so.
1 3/4?
Okay, good. Wait, what are you putting in here? What is she putting in there?
You communicate to me. I'll communicate to her.
Ow. Jeez, are we doing the test?
1.
What are you guys putting in there?
We're doing flour. Give us a minute. This is hard. This is
1
math.
3/4.
2, 3. Now let her do the big one.
Yeah, give me the frosting.
Probably.
Like a.
Ah!
What?
There's an ad.
Gross. Dang, what about your $10?
I can't hear you. Okay.
No one understands me.
Oh.
What?
I think I did it wrong.
I don't know. What do you mean what you did wrong? I wish I could see.
To say 1 3/4 cup or 1 and
1.
3/4.
So it's 1 cup and a 1/3 cup inside. Put it in the bowl. No? Is that what we did? 1 whole cup?
Okay, it's fine. Done with this.
What? Ingredients.
Same thing with this.
Yeah, because that's what we do when you're gone.
Oh wait. Never mind. I forgot.
What? What did you forget?
Huh?
What did you forget?
What?
What?
This is baking soda.
Oh, that's not right. Okay, is it all mixed up? Pan, is it all mixed up? Okay, we're setting it aside. The table or something? Set the dish aside. All by myself.
What did she say? A cup of milk.
Can you like pour it? There you go.
They're so pretty, it hurts. I'm not talking about boys, I'm talking about girls.
What? Can I pour it? Are you gonna hand me something? Okay. Pour it? Okay. Are you handing it?
It looks really gross. Okay, you're done.
Is it all mixed?
Here. We're gonna slowly add things to it.
Oh, is this with the ingredients?
The whole thing and then
No! Add little mixtures, man. Girl, not all of it. Jeez.
Stir that.
What in the spoon is this? What kind of fork utensil is this? We don't want to overmix it. Dude, is it mixed? I thought tapping thing, okay?
Let her do it. Stir.
Tell me when it's all stirred up. What are you doing?
Nothing. Stir it.
You know
Oh
you
my
have
God.
to
You suck.
yell. What in the fudge? There's ow, hot.
Balls break your heart. Stop. Stop.
What?
Okay, now.
Did you put like oil?
Yeah, this looks good.
Did you put like oil? Did you put flour? Pan.
What?
Flour.
Flour? The pan?
Yes.
Why?
So it can come out.
That's why we're putting olive oil on it.
Flour will help it.
Okay.
Yeah, just sprinkle it. That didn't sound like a lot.
A lot?
Yes, add like where it covers the whole pan. It needs to cover the pan. So you dump the flour in, you go to the sink, and you shake it all around and dump out the extra.
Okay, we're doing a lot of flour.
Good.
We're doing a lot of flour.
Okay. And. Is that good?
Let's use one. Let's just use one.
Well, is it halfway?
We were gonna
Is
do
it-
layers, but there's not enough.
Is it filled? Whoa.
Pan.
Is it filled to the top? You can't fill it up to the top. It's gonna overfill. It's gonna. You can slow
Stay.
down.
Look at the camera and pose for a thumbnail.
Wait a minute.
Right here.
Why?
No.
Why? What are you
No,
doing?
actually, right there.
What are you guys trying?
Okay, pose. Okay, we're good.
Okay. Oh my gosh, my back needs crack. Oh, that felt nice. It's a little hot.
Started.
You don't yell at a deaf person?
So we finally got frosting.
Yay!
Yay!
Frosting.
I got
Woo.
blue gel icing and sprinkles.
Why are you yelling? Yo, where'd you put the cake? Oh wait, can't even answer. Hey, Pete. Good. Oh, is it one of those things that you like? I don't. You shouldn't have to bang that hard to get the cake out. Oh, what a gift to have myself.
Should add that flour.
Did you guys not add that flour? Did you guys not add the flour? Are you guys joking? You didn't do it with a person that knows how to cook? Oh my god.
It makes good content.
You guys are idiots.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Natalie, you better do me proud. Make me proud. Just standing and drinking is.
This doesn't look that bad.
It better not look that bad.
I mean,
You did not just give me the bag. What are you doing? Girl! What are you doing? I'm touching the cake, man. Don't make me touch the cake.
move the sprinkles on it.
Girl, you
It's
don't
right below
know.
you.
It's what's right here. Okay.
Yeah, those sprinkles are awful.
Oh my god.
Not for it. I want to see how this works out.
Hey, I'm gonna get it sprinkled everywhere just so you know. I want to make it like everywhere, so. You guys, how about this? You move the cake where my hand goes.
We're doing.
Hey, how are you?
What?
Yeah, so move the cake where my hand goes. Okay, clearly you did not get the memo. Why are we doing green?
The camera's right here.
Ain't no way. I'm a masseuse. Guys, I don't want to do bad.
What are you writing?
Wish I could see. I'm actually really good at writing on cakes. Hey,
Let me try.
I know, but
Stop.
I need to adjust the hands.
Right here. Yeah.
You have to move the icing down.
You need to get closer down. Like,
What do you
stop.
mean? Girl, ouch.
Now
Bro,
do
that
it.
is on the freaking cake.
Just do it. Try deaf.
I'm blind, not deaf. Guys, come on. You're so annoying. Wait. N D. Is anything coming out? It is? Okay, it's just many lines. How do we know that? I'm done. I don't even see the letters.
Exactly.
Dumb.
Deaf. And then yours is
Yours
like,
is all of that.
See what I did with the string?
See,
This letter.
actually, it doesn't look bad. It looks better than the.
It looks kind of cute. She's kind of cute. The sprinkle girl.
She's a little quirky.
Okay, everyone gets like a little bit. You should get a frosting.
Did you? I was grabbing that fork.
Don't
She
mess
touched
it up.
every fork.
It's fine. Okay, just take a bit. Oh my god, a bit.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, don't eat it yet.
A bit.
Same time. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ow.
Ew. What's the name of the sprinkle? Ew.
The sprinkles are good. I forgot I did that.
Because I moved it every time you were just doing it.
Good. That's what I told you to do.
Okay, here we go. Should I add this up? We hate Aspen with all of our hearts. She's done to us. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. I forgot we were like recording.
And I hope the sun shines and it's a beautiful day. And
It looks better than the
on your face.